Just as you accepted the challenge to get here, we accepted the challenge to really push the limits.
Welcome to Lesotho, guys. We invited 45 medias to the international media launch of the KTM 2024 EXC. While Lesotho, all the country sits above 1400 meters, we tested all of our bikes right here back in 2016. This has been a testing ground for KTM for several years. And indeed, last year, Manuel Ettingbichler raced the 2024 KTM EXC at the Roof of Africa.
The 2024 KTM EXC range is a 95% new bike with an all-new frame and subframe, closed cartridge spring fork, PDS rear shock, advanced optional electronic packages and TBI and power valve on the two-stroke engines. This is definitely the next leap in enduro models.
The 2024 KTM launch was epic. Lesotho is an awesome country. The people were so lovely. These bikes were so improved over the previous models. We loved them. Being able to ride the Roof of Africa tracks on both the two-stroke and the four-stroke was something I'll never forget.
Probably one of the most memorable launches I think I've ever had. So 120 Ks at up to 2,500 meters of altitude. So
it's not a press test, it's an experience, like ready to race.
Really one of the best moments of my life.
Whole package of what they've done for us to come out here and ride these fantastic EXCs is absolutely amazing.
KTM put on, such a spectacular the scenery, coupled with, the challenge in the trails. It was, second to none.
Amazing day. Like, it blew my mind.
Natural is perfect, and tracks for enduro bike are best.
You see my smile. This is how I feel after testing this new KTM EXC 2024.
Maybe this is the most important generation of KTM enduro bikes. Fantastic, great bikes.
The bike is easy, really easy.
So, super fun.
Out of the box, it's already a competitive machine. It's also good for a novice rider. I mean, we were in different conditions today. We had some hard enduro, we had some trails, we had some special tests. We tried the bike everywhere and it felt good. It felt really good. I think they made one more steps.
KTM is really confident about his bike because we test bike it was difficult.
It's very easy and very smooth driving all the bikes.
The bike really changed, 100%, not 95, 100% it changed. I think it's the best bike for the next year, I guess.
Amazing suspension, rigid frame, everything is perfect.
The old TBI wasn't bad, but the new TBI is another level. Just fantastic. The four strokes on the other side, much more easier to ride. So fantastic. I'm so stoked, I can't tell you.